How to share a contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Tap on the contact you want to share from here. Here, you can view and manage the contact information. Tap on Share Contact as shown. Then, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Select AirDrop from the options and then choose the people you want to share it with. You can also choose to share it via the Messages app or any other platform that you want. Following these steps, you can easily share a contact on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.